I'm Anna, and I'm breaking down how to fold a fitted sheet neatly. And it's not that complicated, I promise. Pretty much all it is stuffing the corners into each other, just in a really specific way. You're going to start with the underside of the sheet, the side you don't sleep on, facing you. Next, let me explain the most important part, the corners. You'll be putting your hand inside the corners in two different ways. The first way is you're just putting it on like you're dressing the mattress. So your hand just goes in, like the way you put a hat on normally. So we'll just call this normal hat. And the other way is exact opposite. You're putting your hand on from the outside, so you can see the seam now, and it's like you're putting a hat on inside out. And then you just alternate your hand placement. Let me show you. Take your left hand, put it inside the top left corner. It doesn't matter how the sheet's laid out, lengthwise, whatever corner you just picked, that becomes your top left corner. And we put the sheet on the normal hat way. See, we just put it inside like we are the mattress now. So this is step one. You've got one corner done. Let's go clockwise around the sheet to the next corner. And in this one, you're going to do inside out hat. So from the outside, tuck your hand in. See, you can see the tag, so we're inside out. Tuck this right hand into the other corner and move your hands around so both corners are being held just by your left hand. And now the sheet is folded in half. Kind of got it in half. Okay, move down to the next corner. So you just kind of keep going down, we're going clockwise, and we find the next corner. This one you do normal hat, so just tuck your hand inside, your right hand's inside, and tuck it right into the other corners. Move your hands around so your left hand is holding them both. So now we have this weird kind of sack going on. Okay, last corner. Last corner is inside out hat. So from the outside, tuck your hand into the corner and tuck it inside all the other corners. And ta-da! All the corners are nicely kind of secured together. And lay this down on a flat surface. This is what your shape will end up looking like. It's almost like a rectangle. You can smooth it out if you want to make it look really nice. And then you just fold this like you're folding any other sheet. Let's tuck this in. And ta-da! We folded a fitted sheet. And it looks neat. Not bad, eh? Now some of you may have found it a little awkward holding your hands up in the air like you don't care. So how about I do this all on a flat surface? Okay, here's our bed sheet, and the bottom side is facing us, and our top left-hand corner is already normal hat. So we can move on to the second corner, and we're gonna do this one, the inside out hat. So tuck your hand from the outside and in, and you'll be able to see the seam so you know you're inside out. And now tuck this corner into your first corner. And we have two corners done. And your sheet is folded in half. Now we move down to the next corner, and this is normal hat. So you just put your hat on normally, you can see your seam, and you're going to tuck this in to the other two corners. Corners are in. We have one more corner. And this one is going to be inside out hat. So put your hat on inside out and tuck it into your last corner. And then it just helps if you shake it out a bit. Gets your corners all nice. And there we go. And now you can continue with just folding it. And that's how you fold the fitted sheet. Really, it's all about the corners. Grab one corner with your left hand, then your right hand does all the other work. Opposite hat, normal hat. Opposite inside out hat. There we go, we have our weird little shape. And we can just fold this normally. might take a few tries to get this. I've been doing this since I was a teenager. Like back when the internet didn't have video, I learned this from black and white sketches on Martha Stewart's website. But once you get it, it's really quick. I can probably fold a fitted sheet quicker than a flat sheet now. In the comments, if you give this a try, let me know how it goes. Thanks so much for watching. Happy folding. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! Now, let me explain the most important part, the corners. That didn't even look like a corner. The bed sheet. Oh no, I forgot to explain which hand this is. The sheet in a clockwise way. Yeah, because that's how people talk.